Today, we're diving into the review of the all-new 2025 electric tricycle camper, a futuristic and compact vehicle that's changing the way we think about small electric campers. This innovative ride combines the efficiency of an electric trike with the comfort and functionality of a mini motorhome. Now let's talk about the design and build. The 2025 electric tricycle camper features a three-wheel setup for excellent stability and smooth handling. The front design is clean and bold, while the side profile shows off a large sliding door that gives easy access to the cabin. Despite its small size, the design uses every inch of space wisely, making it both practical and eye-catching. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice how cozy and well thought out the interior is. The driver's cabin feels comfortable, with a premium ergonomic seat and a digital dashboard that gives you all the important information, speed, range, and battery status, in a crisp and modern layout. The steering is light and responsive, making city driving or tight parking spots incredibly easy. Moving toward the back, you'll find the real charm of this electric camper. The interior layout has been designed like a tiny smart home. There's a compact kitchen setup with storage, a small sink, and a foldable countertop. The bed area converts from a sitting space into a sleeping zone within seconds, giving you both comfort and convenience wherever you stop. In terms of performance, this tricycle runs completely on electric power, offering a range between 150 to 180 kilometers on a full charge. Fast charging support means you can top up the battery quickly and get back on the road without long delays. It's quiet, smooth, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Another big plus is how eco-friendly it is. With zero emissions, this camper is perfect for those who want to explore nature without harming it. And since electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, maintenance costs are much lower compared to regular gas-powered campers. Overall, the 2025 electric tricycle camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for adventurers, digital nomads, and eco-conscious travelers who want to go anywhere with comfort and style. Compact, efficient, and futuristic, it truly feels like the future of personal travel. If you're someone who loves smart design, freedom on the road, and green technology, the 2025 electric tricycle camper could easily be your next big adventure partner.